back to my channel. I am Bhoomi and today I will show you how to make a marble maze game at home. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for our latest video. Let's start it.
Cut this box. We need
Glue gun, marbles, scissor and old cloth cardboard box. Cut the cardboard like this. Draw a line and a circle on a cardboard. Like this.
Draw the lines and a circle on the cardboard.
Like this. Now cut these circles. Like this. Now stick all the pieces of the cardboard to the cardboard with the help of a glue gun. Like this. Have to stick these pieces of a cardboard to this cardboard. Let's have a start. Like this, we have to cut this box. With the help of a cutter. This cardboard to the box. You can see our maze marble game is ready. Let's have a trial. Let's start a game. Give this marble to start. Marble maze game. Keep this marble to the start button and get started. Yay! I win! Like a video, give a like, subscribe and share a video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.